This 2024 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a pewter interior, sleeps 3, stove-top burner, awning, leveling jacks, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features couples coach, front bath, front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. This 2024 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.